So, this was the moment when I realized that I can actually become a pilot. No instructor, no help, just me and my aircraft. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Arnav, and if you are new to this channel, I am a student pilot and I am doing my training from South Africa. I am going to share one of the most unforgettable moments of my life, that is my first solo flight. And if you are dreaming to become a pilot, then this video is for you. This will show you how it exactly feels. Before my solo check, I was very excited, and to be very honest, a bit nervous too. And we prepare for this day, we train for it, but when your instructor says you're ready to go solo, that feeling hits very differently. The moment my instructor stepped out from the aircraft, that silence felt loud at that time. For the first time, there was no one beside me. This time, no correction, no guidance from my instructor. It was just the responsibility that I was carrying with me. So, when my instructor dropped off from the aircraft, it was just me who was alone in the aircraft. And I directly went towards the holding point of the runway and I requested ATC for takeoff clearance. But this time, I gave the radio call, solo student on board. And that moment was very precious for me and it was very amazing for me. Then I was cleared for takeoff. I lined up on the runway. I gave full throttle in. This time, eyes more focused, more aligned to the runway, and the aircraft is rolling down the runway. It reaches 65 miles per hour and the wheels left the ground. And this time, I realized it's me all alone inside the aircraft. That feeling was very amazing. The aircraft felt more lighter to me, and at that time, my fear turned into focus. Now I was in air all alone, all my doubts, all my stress now gone, and it was just the focus that I have to make to complete my solo flight. In the air, everything became calm, and the weather was very calm, so I felt more confident this time. And I was in air. My instructor, my grade 2 instructor and my grade 3 instructor, both were watching me from the ground and they were listening to all my radio calls, so I have to do my best at that time. I went from upwind to crosswind, then from crosswind to downwind. I made a perfect circuit. I did all my checklist perfectly and I performed very well at that time. On the finals, when I aligned myself towards the runway, it was an aircraft at the short finals just in front of me. So the ATC delayed me for the clearance, and at that time I felt very afraid because I don't want to do go around at the time of solo. So I told ATC that I am a solo student on board and I have to land as soon as possible and I want to make the landing. So the ATC asked that aircraft in front of me to land and vacate from the first exit way. So then they gave me the clearance and now I was cleared to land. Now this time all of them were watching me from the ground, so I have to do my best. I have to perform my best. I just came very close to the runway and at that time I was just more focused because I was solo with my responsibility of me and my aircraft. So I just performed as my instructor taught me, and the landing was the most satisfying part of that flight. It was very safe and it was very smooth, and as I landed safely, the ATC congratulated me for my solo. They told that congratulations Zulu Sierra Foxtrot Uniform Juliet for your initial solo. So when I vacated the runway, I was just taxiing towards the fuel bay and I saw my instructors and my sister was waving at me, and at that time I was very excited. I was very happy that it's the time that I've achieved my solo. And as soon as I came out from the aircraft, I stopped the aircraft, I stepped out from the aircraft and I just called my parents, my brother, and I saw a smile and I saw the happiness on their face and at that time I saw that hard work pays off. Just you have to do is hard work, you should be focused, that's it. My first solo taught me Three things. First, trust your training. Second, confidence comes with the preparation. Third, every pilot starts as a beginner. If you are struggling right now, just keep going. Your solo moment will come soon. Now, if you are dreaming to become a pilot, don't let fear stop you. Every pilot you admire once sat in an aircraft alone for the first time, just like me. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and do share it with someone who wants to become a pilot. More aviation content is coming soon, so stay tuned, stay safe, happy landings. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.